How to enable or disable night mode or reading mode on Android. If you want to reduce eye strain when using your Android phone at night, this video will show you how to enable or disable night mode or reading mode. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Now, look for the Eye Protection, Night Light, or Reading Mode option. The name may be different depending on your phone. Tap on the option to turn it on. Your screen will now use warmer colors, which can make it more comfortable to look at in low light conditions. If you want to turn night mode or reading mode off, simply swipe down again and tap the same option. You can also touch and hold the option to open its settings and adjust the schedule or other available options. That's how you can enable or disable night mode or reading mode on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips.